Now this is an image of a product, looks like a natural timber to me. Here you see the joints are opening up. This has to be taken care. The fixing have to be good, and it's a good idea to periodically, once a year, have your carpenter or the vendor who supplied just have a quick look on this one. If there is something to be handled, that should be handled. Normally, if you go for a good quality stable wood, it should not happen. Here is a situation where termite and rot have affected the wood. So you have to be sure that the timber that you're using is actually has some treatment against termite, has the potential to resist termite. I would say resistance word is used in the industry quite often, and people can make a mistake there. Always, have a look at the document. If the client is giving you, if the vendor is telling you that there is a warranty, ask to see the warranty document. Take a few moments to actually go through this. It's not actually very difficult to understand the terms of the warranty. You simply just need to clear a few words, or your vendor should know them. But I strongly recommend that it is a due diligence process which you should do yourself. Just take in the warranty, the words you don't understand, underline, look up a simple dictionary, and pretty soon you'll have a fair amount of idea. If you have any doubts, write to the manufacturers directly. Okay, this is what my concern is. This is what your warranty says. What do you say? Most of the time, you from large manufacturers, you'll get quality data. This, you see the cracks on top. This phenomena is called checking. Checking happens when the wood fibers split because of extreme heat. When wood is cut in a certain way, it is called a method of flat sawing. I would not be going there, but if wood is cut that way, and when you install it on a decking application, horizontal, then the chance of checking is like very strong. But in Vulcan timber, we use a quarter sawn method or a vertical paint method. That's a different way of cutting the wood. It leads to more wastage, but at the same time is more stable. Also, the chances of checking are less. They are not zero, they are less. There is a project done with Vulcan decking in Delhi. This image was taken after 1 year. The client we recommended the client to do one coat. The client asked the polisher, the painter, to kind of take off the coating and prepare the surface for receiving a renovation coat. However, when they sanded the product, they liked the color so much they decided just to leave it. So our Vulcan decking can be left as it is, fully exposed to the elements. That's not a problem. The only thing is that it'll turn grey the way it is turning grey right now. So initially the decking and the pergola, they are of the same wood and had the same color. But now you can see the color is now changing. The color is going very nicely with the furniture, which is also a light beigeish color. So another thing that determines the quality of decking, if you see, this is an elongated picture. You see the vertical length of the planks. If your plank is not stable, you will see that these joints become very uneven. That is not a very pretty sight. I would recommend to change the aspect if you decide to use a timber which is not so stable. Instead of putting it this way, I would put it the other way. But at certain, you have to see कि कहाँ से कम दिखेगा, because on the longer you see planks this way, उतना ही आपको joints uneven दिखेंगे. And if you're using a modified timber which is like very stable, then you have no problems. You can just put it this way. Here you see a comparatively more close up. You see the grain, and you see it's like weathering out very beautifully. This is our entry level product. This is called Sand Plus. This is not modified. This is natural timber. It comparatively moves more. But as I said, if the vendor really understands how the wood behaves, he can also hold it by doing correct fixings. It is extremely important, and you can handle your wood that way pretty well. This is a project in Magnolias. Magnolias is a premium apartment in Gurgaon, for those of you who are not from Delhi. And this is a fully exposed application. And we took this picture 18 months after installation. Initially, the color was more or less like teak. It is weathering very, very beautifully. This is an exposed application. You can see the screws on top. All these are stainless steel screws performing excellently.